What's up peeps? It's me again and I'm back for another interesting video. Right now we are going to take a look at Whalemaker. Now what makes me think that Whalemaker could be a win-win platform for both crypto investors and new blockchain startups? If I were you, I suggest that you should stay tuned until the end of this video. As you may know peeps, both blockchain startups and crypto investors are looking for better opportunities. However, right now it's kinda hard for them to find some platforms that are reliable and trustworthy for fundraising purposes. It is all about building trust with one another for new blockchain startups and crypto investors like me and you who are watching this video right now. But good thing there is one project right now that would be making a big difference for both new blockchain startups and crypto investors. Ladies and gentlemen, it's no other than Whalemaker. When it comes to Whalemaker, it is a state-of-the-art fundraising platform for massive disruption. And you know what peeps, I like the fact that Whalemaker is currently working in both Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. Sounds really nice to me by the way, but why is it that Whalemaker is going to be a win-win situation for us right here in the crypto, blockchain, and DeFi space? If you are a crypto investor, it is an opportunity for us to get in early in these new blockchain startups where they are still from the ground floor. You know what I mean, right? For me, I think this is going to be a great decision if we would jump in early during their ground floor stages. In this one-of-a-kind platform, it's going to be an amazing thing because all of the deals are aggregate like no other. However, if you are a blockchain startup who is still new in this space, this platform itself would give you access in promoting your vision by spreading awareness of it and a crowd of investors who are so enthusiastic to participate. For me peeps, I think Whalemaker has done absolutely wonderful on this concept for new blockchain startups. And I know that you guys are familiar with launchpads, right? Because of these launchpads, in which I have seen some of them took action and I'm even part of the respective communities. I am no stranger when it comes to IDOs, especially those who wanted to get whitelisted in these campaigns. Although IDOs are also on a trend recently, they had some lapses as well and were incomplete too. Time is completely essential for me and you who are watching this video right now, in which most of these IDO platforms and launchpads cannot address the time-consuming needs of various crypto startups like hiring people to be part of their development team, security audits, creating smart contracts, and so on. And the worst thing is that many of these IDOs have failed to complete deals to allocate to investors in a fair way. And this is how Whalemaker solves the entire problem, and they seem to be different from the other platforms out there. You want to know the reason why? It's because their philosophy is somewhat different through their state-of-the-art Smart Sequence launch. Right now, it's currently developed under stealth mode where Whalemaker streamlines the entire launch of it. You know what peeps? Their goal is pretty simple. In their state-of-the-art platform, it allows anyone like me and you who are watching this video right now could create a project idea up to its full creation, fundraising, and IDO launch. It also has the capability to reduce our expenses, and from the day of inception, it takes time for the project to go live once and for all. Just like you guys, I hate rug pulls. I know you've been there guys, and so do I. With Whalemaker, the tokens in the platform are auto-locked to prevent rug pulls. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is good news for us. On top of that, right from the very beginning, retail investors could get to engage with the new blockchain startups in return, and they can access more deals that are truly promising like no other. There is no need for investors to rely on these expensive launchpads or buying late in these exchanges that the tokens have chosen to get listed. With Whalemaker, it gives us an equal opportunity in becoming the whales ourselves, where it is going to be a win-win situation for all of us. And when it comes to their token utilities, they are somewhat very interesting for me recently, and I would like to share them one by one. When it comes to deal aggregator and staking, there is an early access to new crypto project private sales that are vetted by Whalemaker, and also their community via membership tiers, and also staking opportunities. And when it comes to their Smart Sequence launch ecosystem projects, we have priority access to self-incubated public launch projects built on the Whalemaker platform, and we could access their entire ecosystem, and the tokens will be used for discount on fees. And for the balance allocations, we have early access to internal Whalemaker projects, private sales, and deal aggregated on one platform, and we also have access to more allocations via a merit-based system. And finally, there is what we call governance and rewards, in which the top token holders will have voting rights for the future directions of the whale community. And not only that, tokens will also be incentivized for value add from community participants and events. Now that's great to hear, by the way. And for the membership tier access, I would like to share it to all of you. From membership to Whalemaker is given to holders based on the following tiers. Starting off with the level 1 baby calf, so you will be getting 5,000 plus Waker tokens. And for the level 2 juvenile whale, you will get more than 20,000 Waker tokens. As for the level 3 young whale, you will be getting 150,000 plus Waker tokens. For the level 4 adult whale, you will be getting 800,000 plus Waker tokens. And last but not the least, for the level 5 Oceanic Leviathan, top 10 holders of Waker tokens includes voting rights and governance, and has token access, in which the token access will be subjected to change. Now for my honest thoughts regarding Whalemaker, I think this is truly one of a kind for crypto investors and new blockchain startups to begin with. If you're one of those who are sick and tired of the current issues and weaknesses of these launchpads and IDOs, Whalemaker is the right platform for you. Trust me, peeps, I'm very serious. Their roadmap looks promising as well from the very beginning until the end, and I had no doubts that they are going to achieve and accomplish them slowly but surely. And finally, I would like to commend the development team behind Whalemaker for doing an amazing job on this project. It is all about doing whatever it takes in making a big difference in the crypto, blockchain, and DeFi space that would be a win-win situation for both crypto investors, new blockchain startups, and the rest of the community. Kudos to you guys. Well done. Okay, at least I have shared with you about Whalemaker. I hope you've learned something from me in this video. Thank you all for watching, by the way. Kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this video to your crypto, blockchain, and DeFi friends out there. For more information regarding Whalemaker, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at whalemaker.org. And I would like to invite you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.